Hello, welcome back. Today we are looking at the topic sleep. Sleep, the key to good health and vitality. Do you know that 1 out of 3 adults don't get enough sleep? This is Mama Uju. I welcome you to Age and Flourish, where we talk everything about aging and lifestyle. As you know, life is good and you deserve all it takes to live a good life. And that is the reason why I am here, making this content, letting you know all that you need to do to be able to have a good life. And so, those of you that are watching me and have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Why not subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up and put good comments? Commend me for all these videos I'm putting out, and you will be promoting my channel. Thank you so much. Okay, let's go back to our topic about sleep. Sleep is very, very essential to life and well-being because it gives your body and mind time to rest so as to reset and repair your brain and your whole body. For example, during sleep, your brain processes and stores information. So, when you do not get enough sleep, a lot of things go wrong in the body, in the mind, both physically, mentally, emotionally, and even spiritually. Sleep is so important to this body. There is a limit to where you can go or how far you can go without sleep. And so if you are finding it very difficult to sleep, or your sleep is shallow, is not deep, I just want you to pay close attention to this and try to make some adjustments, to it. Because without sleep, life will not be as long as it's supposed to be. It is a risk factor to many diseases. Do you know that lack of sleep reduces your attention and creativity? It increases your risk for anxiety, depression, and irritability. When you don't sleep well, you're always anxious, always irritated. Poor sleep can lead to insulin resistance, which will eventually lead to type 2 diabetes. Quality sleep improves your immune system, which will help regulate blood pressure, even your heart rate, and also inflammation. It will give you more energy. That is, when you sleep well, you have more energy. What can I do to get good sleep? There are many things we can do that will help enhance our quality of sleep. That is, when you sleep deep. One of the things is nutrition. There are specific food that helps one to sleep well. And this we are going to look into more in the next video. Today, we are looking at other things we can do to help us improve the way we sleep. Number 1, eat your dinner at least 2 to 3 hours before you go to bed. Don't just wash your hands, finish from your table and you climb on top of your bed. Your stomach will be so full that your body, your digestive system will be working so hard to digest the food, and so you'll be very uncomfortable, and that might affect your sleep. Reduce exposure to bright light. That is light mainly from television or your phone. Because with that bright light in your eyes, it will affect you from falling asleep. So when you are about to go to sleep, at least 30 minutes before you go to bed, turn off your television, keep away your phone, and dim your light or off the light in your bedroom, so that you will create a very conducive environment to sleep. Always take a warm bath before you go to bed. That will help to cool your body. But if the weather is very hot, you can take cold shower. That will help to soothe the body and keep it in a very conducive temperature that will enhance the sleep. You can listen to calm music. You can play music that will send you to sleep. Not very sharp music or harsh. Music that is cool. You can also meditate. Just as you lie on your bed, meditate. Think about the goodness of God in your life. Think about how beautiful your world has been. Think about how big this God that created the whole universe is. Appreciate all that you have. The mind of appreciation will help you to just fall asleep. Don't think of any problem. Any problem that you have not solved before you get to bed, just hand it over to God. Relax. Forget about that. Sufficient unto the day is the evil thereof. And that is what the Bible says. For those of us that maybe work at home or work from home and work on laptops and computers, don't bring your work to the bedroom. Let the work be in the workstation. Your laptop should not sleep with you on the bed. Finish your work at least an hour before you go to work. And wean off every work activity that is in your head. All the problems from work that you dabbled with. Just wean it off your head and before you go to sleep. If you stay active during the day, it will be easier for you to sleep in the night. So be active in the day. Don't sleep long in the daytime. Be active, go for walk, do exercise, do your shopping. If you don't have much to do, you can clean the house, you can go visiting. Just be active, so that by the time you are ready to sleep, the body is already tired, craving for that sleep. If the curtain of your room, if it is very light, you can use dark color curtains or use eye masks to make the environment to be conducive for you to sleep. Because if it is so bright, the brightness might affect your eyelids and they might not be able to sleep. Again, be consistent in your sleep pattern. Don't sleep by 8 o'clock today and tomorrow you sleep by 10 and next tomorrow you sleep by 9 and the other day you sleep by 11. Be consistent in your sleep cycle. Know when to go to sleep and when to wake up, so that at the time you are about to go to sleep, when the time comes, your body will know, okay, this is the time to go to sleep. And your body will know, okay, this is the time to wake up. Don't always allow yourself to break your sleep pattern. For example, if you are to sleep for 8 hours, try to achieve those 8 hours. Even though you cannot make it 8, make it 6 or 7. Don't try to make it 3 hours today, tomorrow 8 hours, next tomorrow 4 hours. Your body will not understand what you're doing. Just be consistent. Above all, do not carry any hurtful feeling to your bed. You might have nightmare thinking of that hurt. Forgive every hurt and forgive anything that has gone wrong throughout the day. Just have a plain mind and a mind of gratitude and sleep. I want you to comment on this video. Share your experience. How is your sleep pattern like? Do you find it difficult to sleep? What do you normally do when you are about to sleep? Let's share together and let's help ourselves. Because there are many people that find it difficult to have good, satisfying sleep. And again, share this video to others so that they will also learn and know what to do when they are having it difficult to sleep. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.